Number 42 asks us to express the quadratic function in the form f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k, and find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. And what they gave us is f of x equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 13. Now, remember, I can simply go to my calculator, put this in my y equals. We know that that's going to be a parabola that opens upwards because a is positive. So all you would have to do is, if it looks like this, I'm not going to show where in the coordinate plane it is, but looking like this, I find that lowest point. That's my vertex. And then my vertex is hk, so I change the sign of the x or the h term, I keep the sign of the y or the k term and plug it right in. 2 stays in front for the a. I can do that all in my calculator, but if you don't remember that, then I need to complete the square on this. So first I'm going to factor 2 out of the first two terms. That gives me 2 times x squared minus 6x. Leave room for plus some number, and then because I'm still on the same side of the equal sign and I have plus 13, whatever I add here, I have to subtract here. Staying on the same side of the equal sign, I both add and subtract. So I take half of negative 6, which is negative 3, square that, that's 9. I did not affect this side by 9, I affected it by 2 times 9, which is 18, so it's plus 13 minus 18. I added 18, I subtract 18, both on the same side. That means I haven't changed my value. So now I have f of x equals 2 times, put this in factored form, I take the square root of that sign, half of that, and square it. Plus 13 minus 18 is minus 5. And there is my HK form of that equation. So now to find my vertex, remember I change the sign of the thing in the parentheses. I keep the sign of the thing outside the parentheses. This is HK, that's x minus h squared plus k. There's my vertex, and my axis of symmetry, remember, is a vertical line going through the vertex, so it's x equals 3. And I believe that's all they asked for. Yes, there you go.